Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you on how you can use Binance for free and without any payment, without paying or without paying to VPN, and how you can use it for free without VPN. I'm going to show you in my last video about Binance. I said you can use VPN to open it. Now you can open it for free, no VPN. Then I'm just going to show you some things. If I click at my menu here at the top, you can see that my account is already verified. So I click on markets. As you can see, this market, you can see that it's working perfectly. Not now. You can see trade. If you want to trade, buy BTC or can sell it. And I'm just going to show you some things to. You can see we are in futures, buy/long, sell/short. Open your futures account. Okay, let me click on wallet. You can see this my wallet funding crypto. Can now see USDT. Tap here to show hide coins. Can see this now my USDT, Tether US. Just going to okay, I'm coming. Want to trade now, you can trade. Okay, I want to do P2P. It is really working. Okay, confirm. Next. As you can see, there's no maybe like internet disconnection. I'm just going to type the country. No other provide later. Can see this now my provide. Can see verified user, KYC, SIMs, email. Can see now payment method, restriction remover, block users, receive feedback. Oh, so you can buy and you can sell here. Maybe this is not updating, but it's going to be updated. Okay, select trading soon. Okay, I haven't updated my account. That is why I haven't updated my account, because it has been giving me warning that I should update my account to see the latest updates. So this is how you can use it for free. You can see that there's no maybe disconnection or anything, or it's bringing something. Maybe it's just disconnection. It's bringing we can't log in or we can't do that. Okay. As you can see copy trading Web3 airdrop Referral. You want to click here, you can click the Referral here. As you can see, this is my Referral link. You can see light Referral link, light Referral ID. You can copy this, invite friend. You can see okay, you can just copy that. And I'm going to see you in my next video. And by all these steps, like all this method that I have used, like I now confirm that Binance is truly working, and can go and use it on your own too, and it's going to work on your phone. So that you're in Nigeria, is going to work. And I'm going to see you in my next video. Thanks for watching my YouTube video. Peace.